I'ma head out then. y'all be sure to give them a follow. Be sure to tag them Team Blurry Vision.
Yes, sir.
That's right. I'm gonna tag them down below. Man, y'all got a line up out here today.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, y'all got quite a bit out here.
The equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.